Morning, fellas. NJ Fishing Maniac here. I'm over by Red's Lobster Pot. I got here about 3:30 this morning. Gonna do some fluke fishing, maybe throw out a couple diamond jigs, see if I can get some snappers or some Spanish mackerel. Start fishing sunrise, a little before sunrise. Just wanted to let you guys know I'm over by the statue at the corner. I'll give you a heads up on how the inlet goes today. I'll walk up and down the inlet after to see if anybody caught any fish. All right, guys, NJ Fishing Maniac, man. Subscribe if you like.
I got anything.
There we go.
All right, Mark.
Here we go, Mark. There we go, nuclear chicken.
Yeah, if I hit the bucktail.
They hit the top. I told you, hit the top. Hit the top.
I was gonna hit the top. You hit the nuclear, huh?
He hit the, no, he didn't hit the nuclear. He hit the
The atomic.
dude. That's a good one to get on video. He just pissed in my eye. That's gonna be good. Dude, he literally pissed in my eye. Whatever comes out of there. Later, buddy. Orange swimming. That was a little tap.
Bye, Mark.
See you later, Lou.
You have a good one. Take it easy.
Thanks, buddy. You too.
You too. Good night, Lou.
Nice to meet you, buddy.
Huh? Today, right. You should go to bed.
Look at this. Another one on the top jig head. Don't pee. Please don't pee.
Got one on that, huh?
He peed, but over there.
You didn't get grandma.
No, I didn't get grandma or grandpa. The other one peed in my eye, and this one got sand in my eye. So,
Got the breadcrumbs.
breadcrumbs. Another guy just dead sticking spearing right here. So I'll release him and let him go to grow. Look at this, look at this. Private property, look at this. All right, it ripped up my... I didn't punch you at all.
Punch me physically. I'm just saying from that.
I don't want this to get wet, Warner.
Oh, yo.
Look at this. I'm sitting here waiting and I get a fish on.
Nice fish.
I'll get it for you, Mark. It ain't a nice fish.
Okay. Oh, yeah.
It almost stuck my rod in, but it doesn't feel that good. Nah, it's tiny. Tiny guy on the top killie. Top killie right there, about 14 inches short. We ain't getting no big ones today. No big ones today. Nobody's getting big ones today. Juan, you got one?
Yeah, something just jumped out right there.
Something jumped?
Yeah, something just jumped out the water right there.
All right, I'm gonna
You got
throw.
one if you don't have. I'm coming. I'll be there in a minute.
I'm gonna throw my little jig on real quick.
Something just jumped out the water.
Come on, maniac, let's go. Nuclear chicken on the bottom and a killie on the top.
God, probably freak her out.
See how it goes, Wano.
All right, go for it.
Fucking sand all over me. Come on, how does this happen?
Because you got those sand on them Achilles. I mean, no.
How do I get sand on my forearms and my shorts? Well, I got a hit. I got a hit. Come on, Juan, you ready? I don't know if it's nuclear chicken or the killie. I was getting a hit. He left me. Yep, he left me. Came back for it. Very small. I got something tiny, Louie.
That's not Tiny Louie?
It hit the nuclear chicken. Look at that.
Nobody ever said Tiny Louie to me before.
The nuclear chicken works. Look at it. Look at this. I mean,
Was it on the?
look at this. Look at that.
But what he hit? The hook?
Yeah, look at this. Look at this.
Okay. Oh damn!
I could pull it out.
Yeah,
Just rip its
yeah.
skin. See you later, buddy.
That was a lucky catch. You snagged it.
I hear you, man. I'm usually more of a freaking maniac, but I'm just relaxing. This is just relaxing.
We gotta do is get TikTok Vic subscribe.
Ticked off. He did subscribe, and I got another fish. I missed him. Good? That's good.
What is he? Was he right there?
Good, that's good. Probably took the tail of my nuclear. But, yeah, I think he subscribed. Ticked off Vic subscribed. Man, he is freaking hilarious.
Subscribe to your video, man. That's pretty cool.
Yeah, he answers my messages and stuff when I message him.
Oh,
He's
that's
awesome,
pretty cool,
man. He talk about funny, man.
Yeah. He's the funniest motherfucker I know so far.
He's the best. See, that ain't gonna work when the hook is a half inch from the top. It's gotta go all the way. All the way down. So yeah, that's what it did. It bit there. So run the worm up the line and pull it out the tail. They're hitting.
After the giant one, Fred, or what?
Yeah, they're hitting the nuclear war.
The little fish, you want a mega fish?
Lefty casting here.
Enjoy that time?
I didn't want to go there. I wanted to go more to the left.
Yeah, right.
Look at this. Real cool uncle. I'm an uncle now. 2 weeks, nephew. Getting a hit as I'm talking about a real cool uncle. Got him. This might be a nicer one too, Juan.
What you got, Mark? Fishy?
I got a fishy, Louie. Nope. I don't think he's a nicer one. But you never know. You never know.
You might gain weight on the way in.
I think he's just a
Fighter?
a fighter. Hit the nuclear chicken again. Ah,
Oh yeah.
hitting that nuclear chicken. Right?
It's a nice size fish, though.
That is.
It's good. Come on, buddy. Easy hook release. Nice size fish. Decent on the nuclear chicken, the grub. All right, give me a second. A beautiful fish. Look at that. Another 2.5 inches and we're good. See you later, buddy. This is the corner of the Manasquan Inlet by the statue. Got a bunch of people here. Not many fish coming up. That's
two for you, Fred. One more, that's it.
I saw that.
This guy fishing where he's not supposed to be fishing. It's good. Nice, that's good. Juan's got something. Here we go, Juan. Number 3, baby. There you go on the orange grub.
Yeah. I
I caught one already.
Another fish. A little guy. Put him on the gulp, that gulp. I don't know if that's the
I was throwing my bucket for water.
nuclear chicken or not.
No, they were boiling last night.
The monster. Look at this monster, huh?
Yo, he had look, he had a gulp in his mouth.
He had gulp. Yeah, he did. He had
Yo,
gulp,
he had a gulp in his mouth.
And you know what? Another guy just dead sticking spearing right here. Yep, there it goes. Oh, there he's on. All right, he's on right here. Can you video this one? I know it's not going to be a big fish.
Yeah.
Another dead stick spearing fluke. Look at this. Just down his throat. I can use my pliers. Little guy from the fishing maniac right here, recording by another maniac right there. And the other shit. Once the tide comes in, I'm gonna whip it out there and let it go right to the left. Right there. See what I mean? This is a double or would it come off? Dude, it came off. No, he's swimming on. He's swimming. The seagull's going after him. Ah, something hit the top because I felt extra weight.
Right.
The one right there is 30 pounds. Yeah, right there.
Killy.
So
So little guy.
So would you be going in the middle or you go down?
Number 3 won.
trying to get that.
You love having them contests with me.
I was trying to have that thrown before you.
How often do you beat me?
I haven't beaten you.
Remember that one time I took off fucking like 18? He's got one. Look at this monster that was just pulled up next to me here. Here we go. Look at, he's pulling up everything. Crabs, sea bass. Yeah, what, another 7 inches? You could have kept them, right?
I need to bring it in there, at least.
There we go. There's a tap right there. Nice tap right there. But he just probably took the tail. He just probably took the tail. I got a little weight, but I don't think he's on. He's not on. Yeah, he's on. Fish on, fish on. I'm using the nuclear chicken on the bottom, and my tails. I knew they hit my tail earlier. I was getting hits, and I got the white and the white on top. Yeah. So I need my pliers for this one. It's not far down, but I need my pliers. There's a hit right there. There's one right there. What? Good ratio. Yeah. He popped off. And he felt nice too. He felt freaking nice. There's a hit. There's a hit. There's a fish too. Oh.
I said the same thing, Mark, right in the same area. They don't spit it.
He came off. Here we are, baby. 18.
18 and a quarter.
What do we think? What do we think here? What do we think here? Up against it.
Yeah.
And there's your 18 mark right there. 8. Look at that. Just over the 18 mark. That is a keeper. There we go. 18 and a 16th, baby. Keeper. Finally. Jesus God. Nice. Give me nice fillets out of this, baby. Right in the bucket. Chris filleting up my fish for me. And then he's gonna keep the carcass
Crab bait.
for crab bait, baby. Thank you, Chris. I really appreciate it.
No problem. Have a safe trip home.
Thank you, buddy. Good afternoon, guys. Or good morning. NJ Fishing Maniac here. Fishing was slow today. Fishing was very slow today. I got there at 3:30. Got my spot right in the corner by the statue, Manasquan Inlet, Point Pleasant, New Jersey. I caught 9 shorts and 1 keeper, 18 and an eighth. My buddy Chris filleted up for me because he wanted the carcass. He's going crabbing with it. The guy's a great crabber. Great, awesome, fantastic crabber. I fished with my buddies Juan and Louie today. That was good, that was fun. But again, everybody's 6 fish, 8 fish, 10 fish. It was slow, nothing to brag about. Saw a sea robin caught, some small sea bass, about 3 inches long. There's a lot of spearing in the water. But there's nothing to go running over to the inlet about if you're from New Jersey or around that area. I just wanted to let you guys know. Hope you enjoyed my video. Feel free to subscribe. NJ Fishing Maniac. The subscribe button should be right below. Very easy to click. If not, what are you gonna do? What are you gonna do? All right. Hope you guys all have a good, safe day. And I will be using my GoPro on Monday, so I will have better video footage. And we'll have a report then. And once fluke season's over, it's going to be on to some sea bass for saltwater and salmon fishing up north and trout fishing and steelhead fishing. I'm going to video everything, so you guys get ready for a bunch of videos. And you got a bus cutting in front of us on the parkway here. That's good. A bus in the fast lane going 51. That's nice. All right, guys. Have a good one while I listen to Smashing Pumpkins. Take care, guys.